As a seafarer, as your salary increases, so does your expenses at home, and so does the fear कि what if something happens to me, what will happen to my family. So in this video we are going to discuss about how much term insurance should you buy. तो भाई say you are a fourth engineer, third engineer, you are a third officer, second officer, that is the time you buy a 1 crore. ले लो भाई 1 करोड़ प्रीमियम मिल जाएगा आराम से. Even if you are a AB और बोसन रेटिंग्स के अंदर मिनिमम 1 करोड़ टर्म इंश्योरेंस इज अ मस्ट भाई, इससे कम मत लेना प्लीज. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box, where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Now, when you become a chief officer, captain, second year chief, yeah, this is the time when you buy another insurance. So at this generally top up नहीं होता है कि 1 करोड़ इसको 2 करोड़ कर लेता हूँ. So you have to buy another insurance, you buy that and you make it another for 1 year. So minimum 1 करोड़ और 2 करोड़. So minimum 2 to 3 करोड़ तो होना ही चाहिए. Copy it. So guys, when you are a fourth year, third year, generally 2 to 3 करोड़ का मिलना आसान नहीं है. First thing. Second thing is the fourth year, third year do not have that much money also. Third thing is the fourth year, third year, the premium is very less. So the best time to buy is when you are young. एक बार उस एज पे ले लोगे फिर दैट विल कंटिन्यू एट दैट सेम प्राइस ऑलवेज. It will not be say you bought a premium at you bought the term insurance at 23 years at your say premium of 7,000 rupees. Now it will remain 7,000 for the rest of your life, right? It will not change, and that is why we recommend to buy it ASAP, right? Don't delay it. And when is the right time to get for insurance is the moment you sign off. Right after sign up, because that time your bank account shows the last 6 months receipt कि हर महीने पैसा आया. as a seafarer, that is one of the challenges. तो immediately तभी लो, and that is where you have to contact merchant to get it immediately. Sign off, फटाफट टर्म इंश्योरेंस के पीछे लग जाओ, ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट्स रेडी करो एंड बाय करो. आई एम अ चीफ इंजीनियर 36 years with no term, what should I do? तो भैया प्लीज whatever has happened, don't regret that. Buy now, secure your future, protect your family and financial goals, get your plan today. See guys, I have made a lot of mistakes in my life, you have made in yours. There's no point regretting. The point is what you can do right now with this. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.